Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a resume with Chatgpt. Now, you can see this resume has been created by Chatgpt. We will see how we can create a resume with the help of Chatgpt. First of all, open any browser and then open Chatgpt. Go to the prompt section, and now I will type, "Write a resume for me" in LaTeX. LaTeX is a platform where we can convert the code from Chatgpt into a visual form. In the prompt, I will include the following details. My name is Omar Mashadi, a digital marketing graduate from ABC University, Multan, completed in 2023. I am currently looking for a marketing agent position. I have completed 5 marketing projects, including fake news detection and traffic sign detection. I am currently working as a marketing agent at XYZ Limited. Fill in any gaps you may find in the script appropriately. I need a fancy, colorful LaTeX resume. After that, hit the Enter button, and Chatgpt will start generating the LaTeX code. Once it's done, scroll up and copy the code. Next, open a new tab and type overleaf.com. Sign up using your credentials. I am using Google. Scroll down. Click on the Use Free Package option, and click on Continue. Click on Create a new project. Then name your project and click on Create. Once it's created, remove the existing code and paste the code from Chatgpt. Click on Recompile. And you will see your resume generated in Overleaf. If you want to make any changes, such as changing Mashadi to Ismail, update the code accordingly and click on Recompile. Scroll down to see the updated resume with the changes. To make the resume more colorful and attractive, go back to Chatgpt and type. Make it more colorful. Hit the Enter button, and Chatgpt will generate the updated code. Copy this new code, go back to Overleaf. Remove the previous text, and paste the new code. Click on Recompile again. And now you can see your resume is more colorful and attractive than before. That's how to make a resume with Chatgpt. If you want to learn more about this, please comment in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.